Activity guide for step number 1, acknowledge. What you're going to do in this activity is take a look at the sample on the left that has the prompts. And for each one of those growth levels, each one of those different versions of yourself where you made changes that led to significant growth in your life, you're going to first list the event on the top line as it guides you to do here, such as moving away to college, such as getting my first corporate job, such as moving back home to South Carolina, moving to New York. And for each one of those identified changes, each one of those versions of yourself, you're going to list the growth outcomes. I gained a new level of independence when I moved away to college. I learned a new city when I moved away to college. Maybe you learned a new language. Maybe you got closer to your mother. Go ahead and complete this first activity and use my example as a model and guide. See you on the other side.